Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the noise cancellation. So we got two different methods. The first one will be by using the Huawei AI Live application. So we have to open that up, open your FreeBuds. Of course, if you don't know how to link these two devices, the application and the FreeBuds, just take a look on our YouTube channel. You will find this kind of the video and you will find here the noise control. So when you click once on the noise cancelling, as you can see, it's not working because it's some kind of the information that we have to put them to the ear. So when I'm gonna put the left one to my ear, right now I can switch. As you can see, I can just stop and I can turn it off or turn it on. But there is also the gesture on this place. So you have to basically pinch and hold, just like that. Maybe I'm gonna show you right here. Oh, I didn't cover this sensor, never mind. Let's make it right now. So pinch in this place, click and hold it. And as you can see right now, we turned off the noise cancellation. So to power on one more time, click and hold in this place. Yeah, it works like that. Take a look one more time. I'm gonna catch focus on it. Okay, so click and hold right here and it's turned off. It works also on the left one and the right one. Of course, right now they are disconnected because I just take them off from the ears, but if it's not working in your case, just click on the gestures right here and be sure that on the pinch and hold, this feature is linked to the left and the right but. So right here you can just enable the noise control and accept the noise cancellation. Yeah, so as you can see, we get two methods by using this part of the earbud right here, and also the straight and the application. So that's how we can enable and disable the noise cancelling on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.